Hello, in today's tutorial we're going to look at how to add images into a photo gallery on your website. We've already logged into our website and we're looking at the dashboard of our gallery. Let's learn how to add a gallery and images into that gallery. We're going to select the Add Gallery Images section in our menu, and this is going to redirect us to a panel that will allow us to be able to see how to add those images in. Before we add an image, we need to create a gallery. Let's go ahead and select Add New Gallery, and we're going to want to give this gallery a name. So we're going to just call these images. These are images from an event, and the event was called Smack. So we're going to just call the gallery Smack Photos. And you notice I didn't put any spaces, I didn't have any odd characters. And this is something you need to be sensitive about when using a database website. Now that we've done that step, let's go ahead and select the Add Gallery button. What this does is it writes the database and says to add that gallery onto the server. Now it automatically flips us over so we can upload images. Go ahead and select the files off your desktop by clicking the button. And I'm looking at our desktop here, and I have two images already selected that I want to put into our website. I'm going to select the one image, click the open. I have the one image there. Let's go ahead and select my second image. I want this one to go in, and we now have two images. One thing to be really careful about is you'll see on my desktop I've got my two images here, and I don't have any spaces in the file names. I also do not have any odd characters. They're JPEG images and they are less than 2 megabytes in file size. Those are some really important things that you need to be careful of, making sure that again you don't have any odd characters. They're smaller than 2 megabytes in file size, and JPEG is the best file format to upload. I click that I want to scale the images when I upload them so that they're all consistent. The next step before we add these images into a gallery is to select the gallery we want them to be added to. I'm going to go ahead and select the gallery we just created and click the Upload Images button. What's happening now is we're writing to the server and into the database the images that we've just selected. Now that it's finishing uploading those images, the next thing is we're going to go ahead and create those thumbnails. And the reason that the database does this is so that we can have a reduced image size, and when you click on the image it'll increase and you can see the full view. Now that we've created our gallery, we've uploaded images, let's go ahead and learn how to manage this gallery. To do that, I selected the Manage Gallery in the left-hand section of the menu. And you can see we have 3 different galleries already created. We just have created the Smack Photo Gallery. So to edit this, let's go ahead and click on it. Now that we can see our Smack Photo Gallery, there's some key elements that you're going to want to be aware of as far as editing those photos that we just added in. I want to go ahead and put an actual title to this page, and this is the event name. Smack to School is the full name. So I'm going to go ahead, since both of these images were about for the Smack to School event, I'm going to put that as the title. If you'd like to put a more detailed description, you can put it right in here. And that's a great thing to do. Let's go ahead and save these changes. And the other feature that I'd like to show you is how do we get this image to the first seating and this image down to the second seating. And you might have 15 or 20 different images and you need to sort them. Let's go ahead and click our Sort Gallery button. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to migrate images from spot to spot. I'm simply clicked on the image and I'm holding down, and I'm going to drag my mouse over to the left, and you'll see this little bar moves. That's allowing me to sort my photos. I really did want this one first and this image second, so I just did that. To save that, I'm just going to click Update Sort Order. It's going to write these changes onto the server. Perfect. The sort order is changed. And now we can go back to our gallery. We just want to make sure that all of these changes that we've done is exactly what we want to do. Yep, that's our first image, our second image. We've got our nice alt and title tag. Go ahead and fill out a description if you have one that's specific to these photos. Now that we've created the gallery, we've modified it, we've modified our images, let's go ahead and learn how to add this gallery into the page that we want. I'm going to go to Pages in my menu on the left, click All Pages, and I've already selected that I would like this gallery to appear in my main photo page. I know by my URL address that this is the Photos page, so I'm going to, when I look at my photo panel in the dashboard, I immediately know, well, this is the photo page. So I'm going to click on Edit. And this will allow us to put that snippet of code right into this page to call up the gallery. I'm going to put my cursor right below my main image because I want my images, thumbnails to populate down below. And to do this, I'm going to go to the kitchen sink, which is all these icons up here, and you'll see this icon is the Next Gen Gallery. And that's what we just uploaded our images into. I'm going to click on that icon, and with this little pop-up window, I'm going to be able to select the gallery that I would like to show on this page. There's the 3 galleries, but I'm going to select the Smack Photos. I simply want an image list, and I'm going to click Insert. What happens here is we're simply provided with a snippet of code that calls up an action within the database to showcase all of the thumbnail images that we've added to the gallery. So it's as simple as that. We then click Update this button. It's then going to write the server with the updated information. And now it's writing. When you see this little circular graphic there spinning, that means it's writing to the database. Once this is finished, we can go ahead and view the page. I'm going to go back to my page on my second tab, click the refresh icon. We'll let this load, and once it's done loading, we should be able to see those new images that we added into the gallery. Alright, let's scroll down. Perfect! There we go. We've got our gallery added into our page. We can click on the image. We can scroll through. Fantastic. And that's how you go ahead and add a gallery into a page. Have fun. Thanks for listening.